Whoa, this is really fast. What's up YouTube? Welcome to New Parents in Training. So today we got a Wi-Fi router from TECNO. So this is not just a regular Wi-Fi router, this is a Wi-Fi 6. So if you don't know, this is a newer standard for Wi-Fi router. So typically what you have seen before is always like Wi-Fi 5 or Wi-Fi 4. So in comparison, Wi-Fi 5 can support up to 8 devices at one time to log on to the network, but this can support like 25 to 30 devices all at the same time. And not only that, one of the key features for Wi-Fi 6 is that, so if you ever try to log on to a Wi-Fi, you will find a bunch of signals out there, plus the one that you try to log on. So that means there are a lot of signals bounce back and forth. Because of that, your internet speed might get slowed down due to the signal interference and sometimes completely blocking off. Now, Wi-Fi 6 will resolve that. So if you log on to a Wi-Fi 6 network, not only you can log on more devices, since most of our home appliances now are like smart appliances, so we have a lot of stuff connected to the internet. So today I'm going to unbox this and install it, and I don't know, just run some tests to see how well it fares. So anyway, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Alright, booklet, instruction, charger, Ethernet cable, alright, here is the router itself. It looks pretty nice. I like the color. And there are 4 antennas total. The unboxing part is very simple, straightforward, and there's not much inside the package. So now let me go try to install this. All right, let's talk about the hardware connection for the Wi-Fi 6 router. Yeah, so what you need to do is use the provided yellow cable to run the Ethernet port. And the yellow cable needs to be plugged into the WAN port in the back of the TECNO router. And you also need to have a computer that can connect using the Ethernet cable to finish the installation. Now I have this blue cable that's plugged into on the Ethernet port that goes to my computer. So I'm going to show you how to finish the setup, but essentially that's it. You just need to connect your yellow cable to the physical router and then one more cable out to your computer. So this computer is connected to the TECNO router, and now I need to finish setting up. You need to open up on the browser, and then you need to type in this address. All right, so welcome to TECNO router, and get started. Now here you can change the name and the Wi-Fi password. Okay, so basically this is done. As you can see, there's a check mark here, so there's internet going to the router. And there are some settings that you can do in here, but basically this is it. All right, so the installation of the router itself is really straightforward and simple. And let's see, so right now I'm connected. As you can see here, I'm not sure if you can see it, but it has a little 6 on there. So that indicating this is on Wi-Fi 6 now. So what I'm going to do is to run an app to test the speed. All right, see? This is huge number compared to what it was before. Now, mind you, I am on the second floor where the router is, so technically this is really close by the router, so I should be able to see a high score. And aside from that, let me transfer let me transition this to the old router. Okay, so now I'm connecting to the old router without the Wi-Fi 6. It's still on Wi-Fi, but as you can see, the 6 is gone now. And let me run the test again to see what kind of number I'm seeing. All right, so with my current connection to my router using just the router's Wi-Fi, which is not Wi-Fi 6 by the way, and this is the speed I'm seeing, 400 megabits per second. So it's much slower using my router's Wi-Fi system. But just so that you know, we're using fiber optic connection at home. So if it's hardwired, then should see even higher number. But right now I'm using just testing out the Wi-Fi. So with Wi-Fi 6, I'm connecting over 500 megabits per second. With my original router, I'm only seeing 400 megabits per second. So the Wi-Fi 6 is definitely much faster. So right now I'm at downstairs, the furthest room away from the router. As you can see, I am still connected to the Wi-Fi 6 router. And now let me test the speed here. Okay, 75 megabits per second. Okay, now let me switch back to my original router, the one without the Wi-Fi 6. See the speed. Alright, as you can see, this didn't even make it into a double digit. Yeah, it's in the very low 2.6 megabits per second. So it's much slower in terms of connection compared to the Wi-Fi 6. Alright, in conclusion, so what do I think about this router? It's one of those products, I didn't think I needed it until I had tried it. And now I have tried it, I don't think I can live without it. So this thing is really good. Not only it give you a better connection, and faster connection. Now, mind you, what I mean by faster, it doesn't mean like if you have a broadband that's 100 megabits per second, it boosts that 100 megabit to something higher. No. If you want to get the fastest speed, you have to use the hard line to connect to your router. Now, because it's Wi-Fi, as you can see from the previous clips, the Wi-Fi 6 works much better than whatever I had before. So that means when you are connected to this router, your Wi-Fi speed will be much improved. Now, it will not go over what you're supposed to get from your broadband. And also, this router can connect up to 25 different devices. So if your home has a lot of smart devices, this is perfect. And lastly, Wi-Fi 6 does provide better connection in terms of less interference, and there are less chance for you to get disconnected. If you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.